Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook group chat. For that, you need to log into your Facebook from any browser that you would like to use. As you can see, I've already logged into my Facebook. You can find Messenger on your topmost right hand, which is over here. Click on See All in Messenger. And then click on this icon, which is on your left hand side. Choose whom you want to add in your group. As you can see, I have already chosen the people I want in my group and the group has been created. As you can see on your right hand side, you have some options to customize your chat. You can choose whether the approval of the admin is required to add new members or no. If you click on this icon, now you'll be needing the admin to approve all the requests to join the group chat. If it is turned off, you can just add anyone even if you are not the admin. You can find who are the members of the chat group by clicking on chat members. From here you can add people also if you wish to. Instead of looking for one picture or a file one by one, by going to previous chats, you can find all of them saved over here. All kind of media, files and links will be here. And then you have some privacy and support. You can mute the notification if you don't want to be notified whenever there is a new message in the group. You can also put the whole group to ignore messages. You can report if there is something wrong. Then finally, we have an option to leave the group if we wish to. Alright, I hope my video has taught you all how to create a Facebook group chat. Please feel free to give us any suggestions for our new video. Leave a like on our video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.